Smells like a...
You are known for being this, like, hardcore party maniac. Give us a crazy story.
On our tour of Southeast Asia in '91, I met a guy who was gonna slip me some blood, but he must have slipped me something else. Cause next thing I know, I woke up in a bedroom surrounded by these scary Japanese businessmen. Thought I was a girl on account of the old glam thing. That all they didn't care. Took me 8 months to escape and hop a ship back to the States. What a ride.
So would you say rocking was worth it?
My dating life hasn't been the same since losing my manhood to super syphilis. But yeah, there were some good times. Plus, I never learned to read, so that limited my career options.
And there you have it. Thanks for coming in today.
Yeah, no sweat. Listen, can I have some change for the bus?
Let me grab my purse.
Dwayne Duke from Second Chance Automotive here, and I'm slashing prices like a madman. Big cars, small cars, nice cars, crap cars, all nice to move right now. If we don't have the car you want, I'll get it for you somehow. I'll steal it if I have to, but man, that's not all. I'm throwing in a free air freshener and free oil changes for life. And I'll polish your fenders. Not my needs with my own time. I'll make you happy. Car trouble down the road, I'll give you mine. Seriously, swing by and take them. I don't need them. I can take the bus, but wait, there's more. Sign up for our extended warranty, and when your car gets dirty, I'll show up with a bucket and wash it myself. Don't like the idea of old Dwayne covered in suds? I'll send my daughters, all 3 of them. You'll love them. Their self-esteem's as low as our prices. So come on down to Second Chance Automotive and please, they're gonna break my leg.
Jaywalking kills.